All right, everybody. Are you guys ready to get this party started? Matt and Mag, you're way back in that tunnel. I don't think they can hear you. Let them hear you. There you go. All right. Here we go. Let's get them out here. All right, first up, parents of the crew, Rick and Tony Dunphy. Give it up for them, guys. All right, up next, parents of the bride, Kim and Todd Schwartz. Chris Maroney and Val Motica. All right, we have got your bridesmaids and groups coming up next. Let's get Travis and Miranda Keene out here. All right, we got Allie Maroney and Kyle Schuyler. Let's get Melissa Dunphy and Ryan Whistler. All right, up next, Ella Hopkins and Rob Smith. Maid of honor, Megan Maroney, escorted by brother of the bride, Joe Maroney. All right, up next, your maid of honor and best man, Michelle Maroney and Ricky Dunphy. You guys get up out of your chairs. Give me assistance here, yell and scream. Let's get your bride and groom out here, Mr. and Mrs.